Hello everyone and welcome back to my monthly update on my stock portfolio. My name is Denis and the goal is to reach $1 million. And the reason why I make this video is I want to document that journey so I could inspire you all, because if I can do it, so can you. And also it's a nice round figure towards my financial independence. This month we've seen a recovery in a lot of my stocks. In fact, some of them reached close to February highs. Stocks like C Limited, Crowd and Net. And this goes to show that winners keep on winning. However, not every stock has recovered to my original buying price, as you can see by the red in my portfolio. As such, that was causing me some stress, so I ended up spending less time looking at the stock and more time learning and reading. Another thing that I realized is the importance of having high conviction in the stocks that you're investing. Because if you have a low conviction due to the lack of your research or whatever that is, when the crash happens, it's so much easier to pull the trigger to sell that stock because you are uncertain. And also, if you're following someone, if that person is considered good in investing, you still have to do your own research. So what did I buy and sell this month? Well, during the month of April, I deposited another 5 grand into my account and bought the following stocks. And during the month of April, I trimmed the following stocks. As you can see from previous month, I kept the original portfolio and I just kept adding to my high conviction stocks. Additionally, I've been researching a new company and slowly building out a position in it. The company's name is called Zoom Info, and what they do is provide quality leads to salespeople, essentially making it easier for them to do B2B deals. In fact, they're doing so well that the past quarter revenue growth has been 55% and yearly growth has been 62%, and their rule of 40 is at 108%. Which is why I've been building out my position in this company. So what is happening with ARK funds? So you probably noticed that I also bought ARKK and sold it a month later. So what's happening there is I'm putting my money as a storage, so when the opportunity comes to buy something else in my individual stocks, then I'll go and execute on that. I'm still evaluating that strategy and I'll let you know if I'm gonna keep it. And let's talk a bit about crypto. So I slowly started building out my crypto position during the month of April. However, the total is about 1%, and once I'm more confident with it and more knowledgeable with it, I'll be sharing it with you. But so far my crypto portfolio looks something like this. So that's it in the realm of crypto and stock. And remember, you want to find good companies that you're willing to invest long term. And also remember that the market is irrational in the short term, but very fair in the long term. Lastly, I want to quickly talk about the book that I've read, which is called The Small Book That Beats the Market. And it talks about this magic formula that has 2 criteria to picking companies. One is return on capital, which tries to measure how effectively it generates earnings from its assets, and 2 is earnings per share. I think this book could be a great book if you want to start investing into individual companies but don't know where to start. As such, if you're new or not even new investor, I recommend you read the book, as it has a lot of valuable lessons even if you don't end up using the magic formula that it talks about. The link to this book is down below. And that's it. I hope you found this update useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you next month. Peace.